this is the turkey song. This is a turkey song where we dress like turkeys this year. We will have a parade with Thanksgiving things on it. That's why we call it Thanksgiving Day. On Tuesdays it's a holiday. And on Monday we get to stay home because it's teacher planning day. It's a turkey recipe when we go to McDonald's. We get turkey sandwich. We don't, I'm just telling you this because other people do, but we don't. Mommy, Zoe, Daddy don't, but our dad